Hello student. Today we are going to know about ribosome, centriole and microtubule. First we know about ribosome. Ribosomes are non-membranous, small, dense, round and granular particles of ribonucleoprotein. Ribosomes are freely present in the cytoplasm. The free ribosomes occurs singly or in clusters, that is known as polyribosome. Polyribosomes means when ribosomes occurs in clusters, that is known as polyribosomes. The ribosome also remain attached with the membranes of endoplasmic reticulum. These ribosomes are known as bound ribosome, and when the ribosome attached with the endoplasmic reticulum, this endoplasmic reticulum is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosome also found inside the mitochondria, chloroplast and other organelles. Next, know about the ultrastructure of ribosome. A ribosome consists of two subunits. One is smaller subunit, another one is large subunit. The larger subunit is dome-shaped and the smaller subunit forms a cap-like structure. These two subunits are situated to the flat surface of the other. In eukaryotic cells, the subunits of the ribosome consist of smaller one is 40S, larger one is 60S. Jointly, that is known as 80S. But in case of prokaryotic cell, subunit of ribosome consists of larger one is 50S and smaller one is 30S. Jointly, this together known as 70S. So, prokaryotic cells like bacteria and eukaryotic cells like plant cells, animal cells. Now, know about what is ACE. ACE, that is also known as sedimentation unit or Sweat-Burke unit. Now, what is Sweat-Burke unit? Sweat-Burke unit is used as a measurement unit for sedimentation speed in ultracentrifugation, which is related to the size, shape and density of the particle. Means when these ribosomes become centrifuged, after centrifugation, they sedimented according to their size, shape and density. This is a measurement unit of ribosome. Next, know about the function of ribosome. We already know that ribosomes helps in protein synthesis. Ribosomes helps in protein synthesis, that's why it is known as protein factories of the cell. At the time of protein synthesis, ribosomes are attached to the RNA, which is the site of protein synthesis. So, that's all about ribosome.